So Umar ASHRAF with a comment and delete protecting his brother in my comments. And I fully understand because I would protect my brother as well. But let's talk about why you guys didn't talk for years. Why didn't you guys talk for years? Because Umar owned a company called Stock Market Lab, and they had something where it was a Discord-like thing where they were signaling, talking about trades, and USMAN was the one running it, but USMAN didn't make no money from it. So USMAN got jealous of Umar and was mad that he couldn't make money with Umar. So USMAN said, fuck you, I'm gonna make my own Discord. And that's how he came up with his own. Now, since I'm a fallen trader, we're going to put up a $100,000 bet to any donation or foundation that Umar was not profitable when he started Stock Market Lab. I still have my brokerage account from 2016 when I first started, and he first started selling courses back in 2014, 2015. So let's get to that and stop talking online. Also, here's the title to my brand new Lamborghini Storado that I bought for my little brother in cash. Everyone called Broward County in Florida and asked them if I bought that car in cash or did I finance or lease it. The first exotic car you ever bought was a McLaren 570S that you leased. Show us the title to that car. The first car I ever bought that was exotic was a McLaren 600 LT that I bought in cash during COVID while I gave 6 months for free to the Discord and missed out on 7 figures because of that. Also, if you didn't know, I'm verified by the SEC because I was subpoenaed in 2020. Umar, let's not even go back and forth. Put your money where your mouth is and let's link up and show our 2016 and 2015 brokerages because you started selling courses back then and you weren't even profitable. So I have a $100,000 bet in the air here for us to show us his statements back when he first started selling courses because I know he was not profitable.